Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to regenerate your QR code on the Line application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. Now let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone. Then click on the home button down below, and in the upper right corner of the screen click on this settings button. Then tap on the profile option below the search bar, scroll down and click on the My QR Code section. Here you can find your current QR code that you can copy to Linkboard and send to your friends. If you want to create a new one and regenerate it, all you have to do is clicking on the regenerate button. If you are sure that you want to generate a new QR code, tap on the OK button and then you will be able to see a new QR code so that the previous one will no longer be valid. So here you can use this new one. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.